Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making shrimp salad. Starting off with 1 pound of shrimp. I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, a good pinch of salt, and a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper. The shrimp are evenly coated in the olive oil, salt, and pepper. I went ahead and laid them out on a sheet tray covered with a sheet of aluminum foil. And now these are going to go into a 400-degree oven where they're going to bake for about 5 to 7 minutes or until they're cooked all the way through. When the shrimp came out of the oven, I went ahead and moved them over to a plate to allow them to cool. I want to go ahead and move on to making the dressing. I'll be starting off with 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, the zest from half of a lemon, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then 1 finely minced celery rib and 1 green onion, though you could use about 1/4 of a red onion here. I just like the flavor of the green onion a little bit better. Once those are stirred together, I'll add in the shrimp. I'm going to go ahead and pop the shrimp salad into the refrigerator for about an hour to allow it to get cold and for the flavors to start marrying together. The shrimp salad's been in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and it's time for me to go ahead and try it out. I'm going to be trying it on some toasted bread, though you could use like lettuce wraps if you wanted. I did think about chopping down the shrimps just a little bit, but I think they'll be okay. This little shrimp salad is really packed with a lot of flavor. I definitely get a little hint of the lemon, and the dill is there, but it's not overwhelming. The shrimp are perfectly cooked, and it feels really light and refreshing. And I love how quick and easy it was to put together. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Valker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.